P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is your glass?
And that's it.
Look, these cartridges have been fired. Look! Hey, what the hell's going on here? You haven't given me a straight answer since I came home.
I'm not.
No, you haven't. That's what happened in the dormitory and that.
I spilled something.
But what?
God.
The gun is being fired.
No, sir. Oh. Coming up now, sir. No, wait, wait.
Announcing Meteor with
Confirm? Confirm.
Sean Connery.
Mr. Secretary, it's been confirmed. So what you're telling me is you can at its disposal. Develop the project.
This feels like it's a pint in a BBC Carling.
And that project
It is.
has been named Hercules. What is Hercules? Hercules is an armed orbiting satellite.
Like a pint of bubbly ice cream.
Aimed toward outer space. Right name. Wrong direction. What can Hercules do? Even this powerful weapon cannot do the job entirely. But fortunately, the Russians, with the same foresight that we ourselves possess, also mounted their own defense weapon. We do not know what the Russians have called their weapon, but we know it exists. And we are going to ask.
Leads the attack. Villa's busy summer remain to work in progress. Ollie Watkins is absent amid talk of a move to Saudi Arabia, and with others injured, they're without an established striker. There's a first Premier League start for 19-year-old George Hemmings. Brighton looking to improve on a record that has seen them take just 5 points for a possible 21 at home against today's opponent. Trying to win it back. Buendia didn't get hold of that chance. Barkley looking for Buendia. But of course,
consultant. She doesn't understand the timing where she is. She's quite repetitive. What we need to make sure is that there's no underlying brain injury.
Okay. Her boyfriend looked like he was worse.
Is that right? We can get touch with our counterpart at St. George's and just see what's going on. What's his name? Nick. Okay.
He is not going to get away with killing.
Gianni Versace was shot on the steps of his building.
This is a heinous and inexplicable crime.
It's hard to be hated by both sides.
I'm so happy right now.
To the side!
American Crime Story on Channel 4. Stream now.
I've got a spare San Miguel glass. Try this one. No, it's not Angelo Peretti, but P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.